To rate a character on Talkie Soulful. Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating your own character on Talkie Soulful. First, sign in or create an account on Talkie Soulful. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you can set up your profile with details like your picture, name, and bio. To create your character, click on the My Talkie Plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Choose the gender for your character and select a reference image or write a prompt describing your character. You can also use the AI generator to provide a prompt for you. Next, select a photo from the generated options for your character. After selecting a photo, you'll set up your Talkie Soulful character by adding a name, description, personality traits, and even a prologue. You can also add tags to specify the character's purpose, such as for friendly chats. If you wish, you can add an AI voice for your character. Once you're satisfied with the details, click on the plus icon to confirm, agree to the terms, and your character will be created on Talkie Soulful. That's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!